parranda. Alegre vengo de la montaña de mi cabaña, que alegre está. Y a mis amigos les traigo flores de las mejores de mi rosal. Y a mis amigos les traigo flores de las mejores de mi rosal. Hola, hi everyone. I'm el capitán, the captain of El Avión, the airplane. Super happy because we're here at the crew talk, and today we have special guests from my crew. I'm so excited. Oye, les tengo que decir a todos feliz Navidad. Happy holidays. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas night. I know I had one. It was so fantastic. But wait, you know, I was just singing a song from Puerto Rico. We call it parranda songs. Because they are in Puerto Rico, we have this tradition that when people are sleeping at night during the holiday season, a bunch of people come from maybe family members or neighbors or something like that, and they go in very late at night or early in the morning, and they go and they say parranda, like say surprise, we're here, and they sing songs like the songs that I just sang to all of you. Eso es una parranda en mi país, Puerto Rico. But hey, I am so excited to introduce to you two of my crew members that are here today to talk to us a little bit about Las Navidades, Christmas time, in where they're from. So, first of all, I want to bring Jay. Jay, ¿dónde está mi Jay? Hola.
Hola. Hi, everybody.
Qué gusto verte, Jay. You had a good Christmas.
Do you like my hat?
Yeah?
Santa Claus let me borrow it for a little while.
Very good. I can hardly hear you, but it's okay. I hope people are hearing you. Can you hear me well?
I hear you well. Can you hear me?
Yes, I could hear you a little bit, but I could hear you. Very good. So, Jay, tell us a little bit. Where did you grow? Tell the kids, where did you grew up, and what did you do when you were a little kid? How do you celebrate Christmas time?
Well, Christmas time was a little different for us in Brooklyn, New York. That's where I'm from. And I mean, it was a little hard for us, but we always found a way to make things really, really, really special. We would make trees out of paper, and we would make our own Christmas balls. We would make our own stars. You know, but we love to sing, and we used to love to go caroling to everybody's home.
That's nice. What we would do. And what do you eat? Do you eat Puerto Rican food? Because I know your family is from Puerto Rico, and you're from Puerto Rico, no?
Of course, and you know Miss J loves to eat. Especially pasteles.
Azules. ¿Qué más?
Pasteles. We had potato salad. We would have arroz con dulce.
Oh, qué rico, qué rico. That's very nice. So you know what? In Puerto Rico, I mean, Jay grew up in the United States. I grew up in the island of Puerto Rico. But, you know, we come from the same traditions, you know, Puerto Rican traditions. So, and aquí en Nueva York, las New Yorkizaron. ¿Cómo es? Las New Yorkizaron. So we love that we continue with our traditions. Doesn't matter where we're at. But we also have in our crew somebody from Venezuela, and they celebrate Christmas in a different way there. They eat different food, like, you know, they're a little different from us. So, ¿dónde está Sammy? Sammy, are you there?
Claro que sí. Hola, chicos, ¿cómo están?
Hola. ¡Felicidades, Sammy!
¡Wow! Feliz Navidad, sería feliz Nochebuena, Merry Christmas, feliz Navidad. Hay muchas formas de decirlo, ¿verdad?
Es verdad. Oye, ¿la pasaron bien con tu familia en las Navidades?
Sí, muy bien. Comimos muchas hallacas, que es lo que comemos siempre en Navidad. ¿Se acuerdan lo que eran las hallacas, verdad?
Claro, yo lo vi en el Crew Talk pasado. Las hallacas son muy ricas.
Yo comemos hallacas y comemos una versión más pequeña que nosotros lo llamamos bollitos, que es como una mezcla con todos los ingredientes que quedan, como que hacen una mezcla grande y crean una cosa que se llama bollito, que son deliciosas.
And you didn't send me none.
We have to try el pollito. The only pollito I know is pollito, chicken, gallina, hen.
No, pero este es con B de bueno.
¿Cómo es?
Es bollito.
¡Oh, bollito! Yo pensaba que era pollito. ¡Pío, pío, pío!
Bollito. Y comemos pernil, y comemos pan de jamón,
Pan
y
de
comemos
jamón.
dulce de lechosa. Delicioso.
¡Qué rico! That's so nice. Well, we're so excited. I'm still full from Christmas night, but we continue eating it. It's fantastic to eat. So what do you eat during Christmas? It would be really nice to know. Because hay muchas comidas tradicionales de muchos países, ¿verdad que sí?
Yes.
Yes.
Mira. Oye, ¿y qué cantan en la Navidad en Brooklyn y qué cantan en la Navidad en Venezuela? ¿Qué cantan? Hay canciones muy tradicionales, ¿no? Están los Christmas Caroling de Estados Unidos. En Puerto Rico nosotros cantamos las parrandas. ¿Y ustedes, Sammy, cómo le dicen en Venezuela?
Bueno, en Venezuela tenemos lo más típico que tenemos en Venezuela, se llaman las gaitas.
Las gaitas.
Las gaitas es muy típico porque cuando a mitad de año, en agosto o en septiembre, los grupos de gaitas comienzan a unirse a ensayar y tú comienzas a sentirle el espíritu de la Navidad desde muchos meses antes. Pero por supuesto, la gaita reúne a toda la familia en el mes de diciembre. Los instrumentos principales son la tambora, que suena el furruco, que es un tambor que tiene una vara muy alta que suena, y el cuatro que se parece mucho a tu ukulele.
Se parece, pero el cuatro venezolano es distinto, ¿verdad?
Es distinto, es muy distinto. La afinación es diferente y el tamaño del cuatro también es diferente. Es un poco más grande su cuerpo.
Nosotros en Puerto Rico también hacemos parrandas. I'm going to say this in English too, but we do parrandas and we do it with other instruments. Our traditional instrument is also called el cuatro puertorriqueño. But it's funny because el cuatro puertorriqueño, it doesn't have 4 strings. It has 10 strings, but we still call it el cuatro. I don't know why, but we use it in the parrandas and we add guitars, and then we have pleneras because we sing a lot of Puerto Rican plenas. So those are like little, like pleneras. I don't know, like little drums,
it's like
hand drums. Yeah. And then we have something called el guícharo, ¿verdad, Ginny? El guícharo y las maracas, de güiro a maracas. And then people also bring, different instruments. And the idea is that everybody will sing and just, have a lot of funny. And my favorite instrument, before you say it, Sammy, my favorite instrument of the parrandas is el tuki-tuki.
El tuki-tuki.
El tuki-tuki. It's like something that sounds like tuki-tuki, tuki-tuki. Oye, de allá viene, allá en Venezuela we have a tuki-tuki too, and in Brooklyn we had a tuki-tuki too.
I want to hear one of Sammy's songs.
Oh, you want to hear? But because there's one song from Venezuela that say tuki-tuki-tuki.
Yeah, yes. We have one of the most famous song in Christmas. It's called El Burrito Sabanero. I'm sure you know that song, right, guys? Well, that song is very, very. It was a kind of between 1950 something.
Uh-huh.
It was created for a very famous song.
I wasn't born yet.
It was created for Blanco. Uy, se me fue el nombre. Hugo Blanco. You know the song Moliendo Café? Pam, pata, pata, pam, 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 pata, pata, pam. That song he created too. But that song was very, very famous when, you know who sung that song and became that very famous?
Who?
I know.
Who?
Santa Claus.
No.
Kind of close. There was a character back in the years. He sang that song in Mexico, and he became the song very, very popular.
Which character?
Topollillo. Do you know Topollillo?
Topollillo, I love Topollillo.
Topollillo sang that song in the show, and he became the song very famous. But there are a couple of things very interesting. He says, "Con mi burrito sabanero." Sabanero means that he's from the savannah. Savannah is like the savannah in Venezuela.
It's a region in Venezuela, no?
Exactly. It doesn't mean that he brings sabanas. No, it's not sabanas, it's savannah, which is totally different. But you know what is very funny? That he says that el burrito sabanero va camino a Belén. So he's able kind of to fly from the savannas from Venezuela to Belén.
Look, I got my topollillo here.
Hey! Hola,
Hey!
Mira, little pilot is here visiting. Look, that's Jay and that's Sammy. Say hi, Jay and Sammy.
Hi, Jay and Sammy.
Hi, how are you?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Yeah.
Christmas.
Well, we have 4 members of our crew.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yay!
Are you
He looks a
sleepy?
little tired.
You want to hear
He was
Sammy
flying
singing El
around.
Burrito Sabanero? He knows El Burrito.
Do
Yeah.
you know that song?
Como dice, tuki, tuki, tuki.
Tuki tuki.
Tuki, tuki.
Apúrate, mi burrito, que ya vamos a llegar. Tuki, 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 tuki. Tuki, 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 apúrate, mi burrito,
Vamos a ver a
Jesús.
Yay!
Muy bien, muy bien.
So, Sammy, you want to sing it for us? Sing it.
Well, I can sing it together. We can sing. Es muy sencillo, chicos. Es muy sencillo. Dice, con mi burrito sabanero voy camino de Belén. Con mi burrito sabanero voy camino de Belén.
Si me ven,
Si me ven, voy camino de Belén.
si me ven,
Si me ven, voy camino de Belén. Tuki, 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 tuki. Apúrate, mi burrito, que ya vamos a llegar. Tuki, 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 tuki. Apúrate, mi burrito, vamos a ver a Jesús. Eso es todo.
Yeah, that's a
I
very
like that
nice
song.
We love that song, Jeannie, no? Jay, you love that song too?
I love that song.
And what are you going to sing for us, Jay? Are you going to sing something? What are you going to sing?
Do you want to see what? Check it out.
You want to check it out. You want to hear it.
I want to hear it.
You want to hear it. Yeah. What are you going to sing? Something from Christmas from here. You know, what are you going to sing?
I have one, but I'm gonna do it now.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Let's do it. We're parrandeando here, no? Christmas
Okay.
caroling right now. What are you going to sing? What are you going to sing?
It's a song that I always love to do.
Very nice. We love to hear Jay sing. Jay sings beautiful. And Sammy too.
Hold on a second.
You know, in our band, they sing together. You know the songs? You know many of the songs. Oh, listen.
Have yourselves a merry little Christmas. Let your hearts be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourselves a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are back in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends gather near to us, gather near to us once more. The years we all will be together if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. When yourselves a merry little El Avión, the airplane, Christmas night.
¡Aplausos!
Muy bien, yay.
Bravo, Jay.
Wow.
It's so beautiful, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna sing a song now? Are you gonna sing a song now? Yes? Do you want to sing Feliz Navidad for them?
Oh,
No,
you
you don't
know
want to sing
that
Feliz
song?
Navidad? No, you don't want to do it? Well, anyway, I'm so happy that we were able to do a little parrandita here. It's a small parranda and singing Christmas caroling from the United States, Puerto Rican songs, parrandas, and also some music from Venezuela. We're so excited. You know what? We want to let you know that we are. You want to go away? You want to go? You want to stay here a little bit with me?
But I'm stopping and I'm holding to the tree so you can stop.
So we can stop with, the tree. The tree's there. The tree's not going to go anywhere. We still have Christmas for a couple of weeks because we celebrate Christmas until late in January. Latinos.
Wait, let's remind everybody to stay safe.
That's right. And
Wear
also,
your mask.
That's right.
Clean your hands.
That's right.
And keep 6 feet apart.
That's
This
right.
way, that way, that way.
That's
that.
why we are doing this kind of thing, everybody from their home, because we're in the middle of a pandemic. And after, soon when we get vaccinated and everything gets fine, we're going to be able to join together and to fly again in an avion and do many things together again. But we want to let you know that we want to keep in contact with you guys. And the way to do that, if you want to see, what else is in El Avión, happening in El Avión the Airplane, you have to subscribe to our page. Please subscribe to our page, El Avión the Airplane. You can find it in SEA Kids Network. ¿Cómo dice? SEA Kids Network. SEA Kids Network. SEA Network. That's right. So please subscribe. And also you can be in touch with us. You can go to our webpage, elaviontheairplane.com, and you can write to us and we will be very happy to answer you and to talk to you. I want to know also how you had a wonderful, first of all, what you sing during Christmas, and also, how was your Christmas? It would be really nice to know a little bit about that.
Let's sing it a little bit. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, that's right. Very good. Oye, let's do a fake Happy New Year. Okay, let's do a fake New Year.
Okay.
We have to count. We have to count backwards, and then we say Happy New Year. Let's do that. Okay. Ready? Let's
Here we
count 10 and 10.
9,
8,
7,
6, 5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy
Yay!
New Year! So we wish you a Happy New Year to all of you. Stay in touch. Sammy, Jay, we love you. Tiran un besito. Tiran un besito, papito.
Bye-bye, pilot.
Yeah, and we love all the other members of El Avión. So please stay safe. Happy New Year. Y gracias por estar con nosotros en The Crew Talk. Adiós.
Chao,
Bye-bye.
chicos.
Bye.
Adiós.